So what we have here is what's called a piecewise defined function because it's given in terms of pieces. Now this one only has two pieces, but they could have way more than that. So this one looks like square root of x plus 2 if x is less than 3, and x squared if x is greater than or equal to 3. So that gives us an idea of what piece to use when. We're not going to graph this one in this video. We're just going to talk about solving these problems, but there's other videos for graphing piecewise defined functions. So if we're looking for f of 2, first thing we need to ask ourselves is our input bigger than 2 or greater than or equal to 2? Well, 2 is less than 3, so that means for that first one we're going to use this piece, which means we're going to plug 2 in for x there. We get square root of 2 plus 2, which is square root of 4, which equals 2. And there's our value. So that's what's happening with these piecewise defined functions. When we go to evaluate them, we find out what piece we're on. Once we know what piece, we plug in and solve. F of 7, 7 is greater than 3. So we're going to use this piece, which means we plug in 7 into x squared, and we get 7 squared, which is 49. And there are our values.